Hello students, and welcome to your Intermediate High ESL class. My name is Henry Kim and I'm your teacher for this class, and excited that you chose this class. You'll have a great learning experience. In this welcome video, I'm going to show you where you can find the course syllabus by using the blue navigation menu in Canvas located on the left, and by clicking on Home and then Syllabus and also Modules, and then in Modules the Welcome to our Intermediate High course page located in the Course Information module. So let's get started to find your course syllabus in Canvas so that you can read more about the learning outcomes in your class, how to contact me, access grades for the class, and other important information. Here are 3 ways to find the course syllabus. The first way is to go to Home, and at the bottom of Home of your screen you can click on Course Syllabus and it will open up and you can read it. The second way is to click on Syllabus, and the syllabus for this course will appear and you can also read it. The third way to find the course syllabus is to click on Modules and then find Welcome to our Intermediate High course page. Click on it, and again the course syllabus will appear. I hope this welcome video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching this welcome video. And again, welcome to our new class, and I look forward to providing a great learning experience. Thank you.